I am happy also that I am reintegrated during the time of the administration of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Because I am closely working with him and I am aware of his policies insofar as our territorial waters are concerned with the help of Philippine Coast Guard. Napakaganda ng mga polisiya ngayon ni Presidente Bongbong Marcos wherein the territories and our sovereignty are really protected and we are strongly protecting our sovereignty and our rights in our territories. Napakaganda ng ating mga polisiya ngayon and that makes me also motivated to rejoin and reintegrate myself in the Philippine Coast Guard. Ang Philippine Coast Guard kasi, it's not only, the purpose of Philippine Coast Guard is not only about protecting the sea and protecting the lives of our countrymen during times of calamities and crisis, but also the Philippine Coast Guard is a very important component in the national development because the Philippines is ranked as number 4 in the longest shoreline in the global in terms of global ranking. Number 4 tayo sa may pinakamahaba na shoreline, and we have more or less we have 36,000 kilometers of shoreline. And we even have longer shoreline than the main United States of America. Kaya napakaganda ng role ng Philippine Coast Guard because our shoreline provides also a good avenue of the Philippine development in terms of marine economy. I have checked the latest data of our marine economy. Our fish production, national fish production, we have a 56% of aquaculture, and we have 28% of the municipal fishing, and only 16% of the commercial fishing on the high seas. So, napakalaking parte ng ekonomiya natin na nakakapagbigay ng malaking trabaho at mga pinagkakitaan ang ating mga karagatan, lalo-lalo na sa mga probinsya. At yan lahat ay ang role ng Philippine Coast Guard is to give assistance, protect our seas, our marine territories. Kaya itong napakaganda ng role talaga ng Coast Guard. Kaya ako I am highly motivated to reintegrate and join the Philippine Coast Guard of CBI. Nakakatuwa rin isipin na napakalawak ng scope ng responsibility at trabaho ng Philippine Coast Guard. We have been made to believe that there are only 7,107 islands in the Philippines. You can blame the contestants in the beauty contest, yung mga Miss Philippines na yan. Kasi pag tinatanong sila, ilan ang islands sa Pilipinas, sinasabi nila na 7,107 pagka low tide, pag high tide, at pag low tide ay nadadagdagan dito ng more or less mga 84 islands pa uli, which is totally wrong and so far from the truth, because the latest count of the NAMRIA, the National Marine Authority, the latest count in their mapping is the Philippines is consisting of 7,641 islands. Imagine ang layo, no? From 7,107 to 7,600. Yung pala, mas marami pa ng 500 islands actual and official count. And that official count is only very recent. I have checked the data, and the latest report of Nambria was only September 29, 2025. So that was only about a month ago. So, napakalaki, napakalawak ng responsibilidad ng Philippine Coast Guard. At kagaya nga ng sinasabi ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, we should work with one government approach, and together with our countrymen, we work as one nation. So we have this one nation approach. Kaya ito ay ating pag-iitingin ang ating pangangalaga ng ating karagatan, ang kaligtasan ng ating mga kababayan, at ang pag-usad ng ating ekonomiya sa pamamagitan ng ating pagbibigay ng pinakatapat na serbisyo sa ating mga kababayan sa pamamagitan ng Philippine Coast Guard at sa tulong na rin ng Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary. Kaya bilang panguras, ako ay nagpapasalamat kay Admiral Ronnie Hill Gaban, ang ating commandant ng Philippine Coast Guard, at ang ating si Commodore J.C. Bell Ferrer, ang Coast Guard Adjutant, at si Rear Admiral Castillo Arturo Cornelio ng Philippine Coast Guard. Kaya maraming salamat muli, at sa inyong lahat ng naririto, ako ay nagbibigay pugay at nagpapasalamat, at ako ay talagang napakagandang pakiramdam ng aking sarili ngayon sa karangalan na aking kamit ngayong hapon na ito. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang Philippine Coast Guard, mabuhay ang Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary, and mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
Thank you very much, sir. And now, let us hear the message of our presiding officer, the Commandant, Philippine Coast Guard, Admiral Ronnie Hill Gaban, Philippine Coast Guard.